Good morning, students. Welcome to our final pushes and pulls review lesson. So here we're going to be completing the final page in our activity book, page 77. So we're going to be using the words we've learned throughout this unit. So we learned the word forces, move, start, swing, direction, faster, stop, and slower. Repeat after me. Forces, move, start, swing, direction, faster, stop, and slower. Excellent. Thank you, students. We have been learning about pushes and pulls in this unit, and we have here a link that says can and another link that says are. So we have to use these words over here and fit them in the missing words. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 missing words we need to complete by using the words at the top. So let's see. Pushes and pulls. Let's start with can. So pushes and pulls can make things in different ways. They can make things do something in a different way. So for example, if they're going this direction and then we hit something and then it changes to another one. So they can make what? Make things I'll leave it up to you. And such as turn and remember one of the exercises we did where the students were playing in the playground. Somebody was turning one of the rides and somebody was doing something else on another ride that you can go back and forth, back and forth. Do you remember? So choose wisely and place it over here. Now, pushes and pulls are. What are they? Remember at the beginning of these lessons that we had, in one of the videos I explained to you what pushes and pulls are, and I said, remember this word, it begins with f. They are f. Okay? And that can make things something or something moving. So imagine something is here and then it makes this movement. It was not doing anything and now it's, and after it also not moving anymore and now it's. So two things beginning with over here. Make things move, so they can go or they can go one is and the other one is. Okay, think about it. Which one? One begins with f, and the other one is s. And the last one is change the of things that are moving. So change the d of things that are moving. I'm going to write some of the letters over here We have S over here, S over here, S over here, F over here, S over here, and D, the last one. Okay, I want you to do this and take a photo once you've completed and send it to Teacher Joe. Okay, thank you. Now, I would like you guys to do a worksheet for practice. In this unit, while we were still learning at school, we studied about what type of movements and actions can animals do. For example, we have here a frog, right? We have a frog, and the frog can jump. The frog can jump. Now, what animal do we have here? You have a list at the bottom with the names of all the animals on this worksheet. I want you to choose the correct name, and I want you to, after that, add to the first line. This is a, what animal is this? This is a, what animal is this? And you write their names on the top line. After that, you have to tell me which action they can do. So we have over here, swim, run, swing, fly, hop, and crawl. Which of these animals can perform each of these actions? So let's do second one as an example. This is a monkey, correct. So you're going to find monkey over here, and you're going to add monkey to this line. Excellent. Now you have to find an action, one of these, for the monkey. What does the monkey do when he is playing from tree to tree, going back and forth, back and forth? He can swing. That's correct. The monkey can swing. So you're going to choose swing from here, and you're going to add over here. Be careful. You might be able to use each word more than one time. You don't need to cross them, okay? You don't need to do that. You can use swing maybe 2 times, maybe only 1 time. You might be able to use swim 1 or 2 times. So don't cross them out. You might be able to use them more than once. After that, I want to do a little reminding test, a little revision test. I want you to tell me if things are true or false, okay? So I will read with you, and you have to check. So what we're going to do is a check in the box, okay? So number 1, pushes and pulls are forces. You can look back in the review page in our activity book if you don't remember, okay? We did something very similar. Pushes and pulls are forces. True or false? True or false? The second one. A force can make a thing or an object start or stop moving. So a force, a push or a pull, a force can make a thing start or stop moving. True or false? Third one. When we push or pull a thing, it will always move. Is it true or false? When we push or pull a thing, it will always move. Remember, Maybe you're trying to push a house. Maybe you're trying to push a car. Maybe you're trying to push an elephant. Can you make it move always? Think about that. Is it true or false? When we push a ball in the same direction that it is moving, it will slow down. So think about it. If the ball is coming this way and I push the same way, will it slow down? Do you think this is slowing down? Is it true or false? A force can change the direction of a thing that is moving. So again, if the ball is going this way and something hits the ball, is that a change in the direction? A force can change direction of a thing that is moving. True or false? Okay, now to end the push and pull, I would like you guys to do this as your homework. And what I want you to do over here is I want you to take photos of things that you have at home. So in your house, things that you have in your house. You don't need to go outside. We don't need to be outdoors for this. We can do it in our own home because there are many things that we can push and pull at home. So I want you to take 4 pictures. I want you to take a picture over here, 1 picture for this, 1 picture for this, and 1 picture for this. And you're going to show me in your house 4 things. 1, 2 things that you need to push or that you can push, and 1, 2 things that you need to pull. And then you're going to put them over here. You don't need to print this worksheet. You can just have it on your computer and add the photos you took with your phone on top. And then you can send it to me online. And that will be it for our push and pull subject. Thank you, students, and be ready for our next unit in our science book, Making Sounds. Good luck and goodbye.